while traveling from the airport to my home, I really feel sad. By the roadside, the garbage is being burnt. When you look at the rivers, when you look at the streams, those streams, there are concrete jungles which have come up right over. I mean, it's really a sad state of affairs that Goa, which is the millennium's choice of a touristic destination, is being reduced to such level. So we have failed ourselves in maintaining the pristine and beautiful Goa. You know, you go to the beaches are spoiled. There is no beach management at all. The beaches are not clean. I mean, you'll see all bottles, this, that, everywhere. There's a menace of drug tourism also.
Yes. So you mean was Goa never prepared for the tourist growth that it witnessed?
No, Goa was prepared for the tourist growth, but somehow the implementation of the laws and the infrastructure that we require, that we were not prepared for. I mean, it's very unfortunate, but it's a failure of the state machinery. Basically, the will is not there. See, most of these elected people are interested only in, their aim is something different. Now, if your aim is not to serve the people of Goa, but to enrich yourself, how will you be able to do all these things?
दिल्ली एका नॅशनल चॅनलान भारताचो अतिरिक्त सॉलिसिटर जनरल आत्माराम नाडकर्णीची गोयच्या वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटाचेर मुलाखत घेतिल्ली. पर्यटक राज्य आसूनय नितळसाण दवरूंक प्रशासन फेल म्हूण तो सरकार राजकारणी प्रशासनाक एक्सपोज करून मेकळो.
The judiciary had earlier stepped in. I was myself appearing in a matter which was a garbage related matter. One of my submission as Advocate General of the state was that please stop this construction which is coming up. Because the panchayat people are more interested in taking money and giving licenses. I mean, it's open. We today don't talk about it because we don't.
Let's not hide it.
Let's not hide it. It's a factual thing.
Right.
I mean, that's happening day in and day out.
Yes.
I said, please stop it unless they put all this mechanism in place. I wish we have an excellent judge today, Justice Sona.
Yes.
I wish he takes up so much of cognizance of all this nonsense which is happening. See, wherever the executive fails in discharge of its duties, automatically the judiciary must take over.
प्रशासन चुकता थंय कोर्टान मदीं पडचेच पडटा आनीक उपाय ना. हायकोर्टाचेर सध्या गोंयचोच जुईज आसा. ताणें तरी खंय स्वेच्छा दखल घेवन परिस्थिती जाग्यार घालची. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.